Hey guys, today we are making dessert and cookies. Pizzelles, to be exact. Let's go. Okay, for starters, you need a pizzelle maker, and we're gonna show you what this all entails. I'll leave a link to the one we're using below in the description box. Then you're gonna need flour, white sugar, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, anise, vanilla, baking powder, and then 6 eggs. And I should mention that we're making a double batch here, so you can always cut this in half if you don't need as many as we need. We're hosting Christmas. And then confectioner's sugar for the topping. All right, let's get started. Okay, you're gonna start by melting a stick of butter. Now what we're doing is we are making 2 separate batches separately, because when you mix the dough, it becomes really difficult to do it if you do 2 batches at once. So like I said, you can always just follow 1 batch of this, or you can do 2 like we're gonna do. So we're gonna melt the first stick of butter. We're gonna be measuring out 3/4 cups of white sugar, and we're gonna mix it with 3 eggs. So we ended up getting medium size eggs, so we're going in with 4 actually, so it'll be 8 eggs that you'll need. If you're working with large eggs, then it's 3. Once the stick of butter is about halfway melted down, just take it off the burner and let the rest melt. And then you want to bring it to like room temperature. You don't want it boiling hot when you mix it in. So it's a process. All right, we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of anise extract, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Add in your butter, and now you're just gonna mix this well. Okay, we're gonna sift in 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, but we're gonna do it gradually as the batter begins to thicken. And then we're also gonna do 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, so you wanna add the baking powder and the flour in a separate bowl, because you wanna make sure that you sift it into the big bowl. This lighting's terrible, guys, I apologize. I would say add about 1/2 cup at a time. Just want to gradually combine it all. Okay, so this is pretty much the consistency you're looking for. You want to get all the clumps out, and it becomes really difficult to mix it after a while. I'm sure if you had a stand mixer, this would be a lot more simple, but we're doing it old school, y'all. You want to cover it with some cling wrap. Put it right over the mixture there and put it in the refrigerator to cool for about 15 minutes. Okay, we're gonna get started. See how it has some different designs there? And the batter is nice and cold, so we're gonna take this little spoon that the pizzelle maker comes with, drop a dollop right in the center there of each one. And then we're gonna put the lid down and bake it for about a minute and then check it. This specific one has a baking and a ready button, but we never go by it because, as you can see, it says ready and we just closed it, so it's not ready. It also has a dial with different temperatures, but we usually keep it around 2. All right, we're gonna lift it and test it. It's been about a minute. Look at how pretty! So pretty. We're gonna close it for just a couple more seconds because we like to get them a little bit more brown than that. Okay, let's take them out. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And this is a non-stick pan, so they lift right out. I'm gonna put them on our dusting tray here. And then you wanna just dust them with some powdered sugar. Let me do it while Mom's making the rest. It's like snow. It's so pretty. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks so much for joining me in today's video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye.